So what you can also do is you can create presentations and slides in GPT. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here, just like this. And then you can go around onto the Search GPT section right here and type in presentation. So once you go around and do that, it searches out for presentation right here. And you can see that there's Slide Maker right here. So there's Presentation and Slides GPT, Slide Maker right here, as you can see. So let me just go around onto Presentation and Slides GPT right here and click on Start Chat. So now I'm going to go around and tell it to make something. So let's just go around and say, make a 10 slide presentation on benefits of online learning right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that it says, sure, let's create a detailed 10 slide presentation on the benefits of online learning right here, just like this. So now it's creating these slides right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and allow this plugin to actually work. And now it's talking to Slide GPT, as you can see right here. So now you can see that it's getting out the important contents right here, just like this, and then generating out the content. Like you can see that first of all, you see introduction to online learning, then you see flexibility and convenience right here. So it does take a bit of time for everything to be generated. So we need to go around and then wait for a while until it actually goes around and completes out the making of presentation. So now it says once you select the images, I will generate the first 3 slides and proceed with the next one. So I'm just going to go around and say 1 for each slide right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and press enter right here. And what happens is that it starts the action again, as you can see right here. So now you need to wait again and click on allow to actually let Slides GPT go around and access out the content right here. So now it's talking to Slides GPT and continues its work. Now you can see that it actually generated out the slide for you right here using Slides GPT, as you can see right here, and does the same with another slide. So you can see that this is the slide right here, like introduction to online learning. You got the overview, history and importance right here, and it does the same with the second slide. And now you can see that it generates a second slide as well, flexibility and convenience, with the image right here, just like this as well. And now it creates the third slide as well. And now you can see that it is continuing with the third slide. And similarly, it goes around and then generates out different slides right here. So it says, would you like to proceed? And if you say yes, it'll generate more. And this is how you can utilize the Presentation and Slides GPT inside of ChatGPT. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.